3 Easy Home Remedies for Scabies. Scabies is a condition that is provoked by the Sarcops scabii parasite. This mite lives in the skin and it's very difficult to identify the first symptoms. Sarcops scabii penetrates the skin and causes an allergic reaction. If not treated in time, this reaction results in a secondary infection. However, if treatment is done quickly and effectively, scabies can be just a temporary problem. In general, scabies can be contracted from contact with another infected person. Especially during hot seasons, the female mite is attracted to the skin and lays her eggs. These secrete toxins. The eggs can stay there for a month before the victim notices the first symptoms. Symptoms. One of the most evident symptoms is intense itching that you cannot control, especially at night. At first, small red blotches appear. When it's gotten worse, you may see scabs or flakes. The mites look for folds and cracks in the body, between your fingers, wrists, elbows, butt, nipples and other intimate parts. However, you have to be careful because they can also hide in accessories like watches, bracelets, belts, and rings. It is very important that you keep in mind that these symptoms appear and disappear, but that does not mean that you no longer have the infection. Why is it important to treat it? If the bacterial infection is not treated in time, it is very possible that the rest of your family will contract it. Usually, a scabies scab forms when skin is severely affected and can even cause a blood infection such as sepsis. This disease should be treated immediately because it can lead to death. The hives show up on your hands and feet, since your body is filled with thousands of mites that are laying their eggs at the same time. Because of this, topical treatments do not do anything to help with these cases. In these cases, you experience symptoms like tachycardia, low blood pressure, fever and chills, head and body pain problems, breathing anxiety. It's necessary that a medical professional prescribes you an antibiotic to fight the bacteria. Home remedies for scabies. The following remedies are only for scabies in its first stages and to avoid the possibility of the problem worsening. If you experience other symptoms like pain and fever, you should seek medical help. Aloe vera. Thanks to its curative properties, aloe vera is excellent for treating itchy skin because it contains antibacterial substances. In addition to that, it has the ability to regenerate, reduce inflammation, and heal the affected zone. Ingredients: aloe vera gel. What should you do? Wash the affected area well. Next, Apply a generous layer of aloe vera and then wait 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse with cold water. Repeat this process twice a day. Tea tree essential oil. Essential tea tree oil contains antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory substances that can eliminate parasites and their eggs. However, if you're pregnant or lactating, don't use this method because the tree oil can irritate your skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of tree oil, 15 grams, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 16 grams. Utensils: cotton ball. What should you do? First, wash the inflamed zone well, then mix the oils together. Use a cotton ball to apply it to the affected zone. Repeat this twice a day for 3 weeks. White vinegar. White vinegar also has antibacterial substances and changes your pH levels in the skin to help eliminate mites. It is ideal for itching, burning, and any other inflammation in the skin. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 125 milliliters. 1/2 cup of water, 125 milliliters. Utensils: cotton ball. What should you do? First, combine the water and vinegar in a container with the help of a cotton ball. Apply it to the affected zone. Wait 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Repeat this application 3 times a day for 15 days. Recommendations: if you're itchy, have a burning sensation, and your skin is inflamed, avoid contact with other people. Don't share your clothes or any other objects you use on a daily basis. Wash your bedspread and sheets well to eliminate mites. If you cannot sleep with the itching and burning, or you have cuts on your body, seek medical help immediately. Don't play around with your health.